Well, it doesn't get much better than this, but we can see the fold coming down from the top right, and it curves around, bends, and then it comes out horizontally to the left. And all the sediments within that fold are also there, also folded. There's a thing called an axial planar cleavage, which is not very well developed here, but it depends on the rock type. But it runs through the center of the fold, and I can talk more about this later. But you will actually get this cleavage that runs through the rock, and it actually runs down the length of the fold axis. Obviously this fold is a lot bigger, it's carrying on up here, and if you probably map it out going further up the valley, you'll see more of the fold in the center. This is spectacular. It really doesn't get any better than this. Absolutely spectacular. And so we've shown you one of the finest examples of folding you're going to see anywhere, particularly in these kind of rocks. To conclude, please visit rockandsky.net, that's our website. Go and read our blog posts, like this video, share this video, and make comments below. I will see you in the corner of a field somewhere. I look forward to it. Signing out from Rock and Sky.